and warm greeting to everyone. As a proud secondary level student of one of the English boarding school Konkan and Jhapa, Nepal, it's an honor to extend my heartfelt wishes to our beloved parents, respected teachers, dedicated non-teaching staff, cherished well-wishers, and the members of school community on the occasion of Deepavali. Deepavali at Arunodaya is always special. Every year our celebrations are filled with joy, creativity and a strong sense of togetherness. We begin with vibrant Rangoli making competition where students create intricate patterns on the school ground with beautiful colors. The spirit of Deepavali comes alive when we perform Deusi-Bhailo, singing and dancing to traditional tune that unite us in a festive joy. Our classroom are transformed with paper lightings and decoration, adding magical glow that brightens our heart and fill the entire school with festive atmosphere. These activities not only allow us to express our creativity and enthusiasm, but also help to strengthen our bond with the school family. As we celebrate, let's remember the emphasis of Deepavali, the triumphs of light over darkness, knowledge over the ignorance, and good over evil. May this festival fill each of your life with light, bright peace, prosperity, and happiness. On the behalf of all the students, I wish a safe, prosperous, and a happy Deepavali to everyone. Thank you.
Better education for the better world. Arunodaya English Boarding School, Kankai 9, Ghaledba, Jhapa, Nepal.